Welcome back to MAK Car Reviews, the channel where we dive deep into the latest rides, from luxury beasts to performance machines. If you're into honest reviews, expert insights, and a no-fluff approach to cars, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future updates. Today, we're taking a look at the all-new 2026 Cadillac Escalade. And trust me, this isn't just a refresh. Cadillac is taking luxury SUVs to the next level. Whether you're already a fan of the Escalade or just curious about what's new, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Starting off with the design, Cadillac has kept the bold presence that the Escalade is known for, but refined it with sleeker lines, more aerodynamic edges, and an even more aggressive front grille. It's still unmistakably an Escalade, but now it feels even more premium and futuristic. New LED light signatures and larger wheel options make this SUV look like it belongs in a high-end showroom or a movie set. Under the hood, the 2026 Escalade comes with multiple powertrain options, including a 6.2-liter V8 for those who love classic American power. But what's getting the most attention is the fully electric Escalade IQ variant. With an estimated range of over 450 miles and up to 750 horsepower in performance mode, this EV isn't just about being green. It's fast, smooth, and ultra-capable. 0 to 60? Under 5 seconds. In a full-size SUV. That's insane. Inside, Cadillac has gone all out. The 2026 model features a massive curved OLED display that stretches across the dash, integrating the digital cluster and infotainment system in a seamless, ultra-responsive interface. Materials? Think hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum. Every surface feels carefully crafted. There's also Super Cruise, GM's advanced hands-free driving system, which now supports even more roads across North America. Passenger comfort is top tier, with second and third rows, offering more space thanks to the new platform. And for audiophiles, the optional AKG 40-speaker sound system transforms the cabin into a rolling concert hall. Cargo space remains generous, and the power-folding third-row seats make it easy to switch from people moving to gear hauling in seconds. In terms of tech, the 2026 Escalade includes next-gen connectivity features, including 5G support, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even an optional rear entertainment system with individual OLED screens. Overall, the 2026 Cadillac Escalade is more than just an upgrade. It's a statement. Whether you choose the traditional gas model or go fully electric with the Escalade IQ, you're getting one of the most advanced, luxurious, and bold SUVs on the market. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments. Are you Team V8 or Team EV? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching MAK Car Reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.